What is going on, guys? So in this video, if you guys don't know, we bought a '07 Maserati Quattroporte Sport GT. We bought it from the auction, and come to find out the engine was bad in it. It was actually a timing issue in the engine, so we went ahead and tried to fix that, but that didn't work, so we went ahead and just bought a new engine. And yeah, in this video you guys are going to be seeing the process of how we swapped it and everything. I'm on 5.0 back there. Yeah, basically I did a introduction video with the Maserati video before this, so if you guys want to go ahead, it's just a previous video right before this one, go ahead and watch that. You can see the 5.0, you can see the scat pack, and the Maserati. I did an introduction with all three of them. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the swap and everything, and yeah, make sure you guys subscribe and stay tuned, and let's get started.
Everything I used to dream being real right now, now. If it wasn't working, I'ma work it out, yeah. I keep on going till the lights go down, yeah. Till the lights go. Everybody wanna make millions, but not everybody been working. Everybody know they got brilliance, but not everybody been searching. Everybody rap about money and hoes, but they got neither. Everybody knows, always been keeping it real. Every time that I spit in the flow, I've been going to get it, they not gon' forget it. I've been going up, they been staying afloat. My music been personal, telling my stories. I'm telling the truth and my life been exposed. Talking to fans and we in it together. I'm never gon' turn even under the pressure. I'm keeping it true to myself. Don't matter to me if the curtains are open or closed. Everything I wanted, I got it. Always wanted more, so I never be stopping. Everyone asking when the new dropping. Pressure been building, but it's a good problem. Graduated college and now I got options. Always bringing more, all these rappers take caution. Always been bossing, everybody watching. Love every fit.
Guys, we got the engine out. You guys can see, took it out from the bottom instead of going from the top on the car. Figured it would just be easier. But yeah, right here. The old engine is right here, guys. The new one is right there. I'll put it in. Should be pretty quick, so hopefully get it started tonight and show you guys how it runs and everything. So if you guys didn't know, it's a Maserati Quattroporte Sport GT, and it has a Ferrari F360 block. So they share the same block that the Ferrari F360 shares. The Ferrari F360, the one from 1999 to 05, that is shared in this one. It's the '07 Quattroporte Sport GT, so they have the same block. And it's like 400 horsepower. First engine transmission directly connects to the rear diff, and I guess there's barely any drivetrain loss, so I believe it's like around 400 to the wheel. So hopefully when we get it started up, we'll run it and see how it's running and everything. But yeah, we're about to start putting in the new engine, so yeah, let's get to it. What is that?
That's the clutch.
Clutch? Oh, that's an auto. I thought it's an auto.
Yeah, but it's a dual clutch. So it's like it's an auto manual transmission.
Fish?
Yeah, it's like an auto and a manual together. It's weird.
Bueno, cuando esto no tiene esto, no bueno.
Oh, okay. Bueno. Sure, has a clutch.
Eso.
Marco pone de carbon fibre. Alright guys, we got that since this car is like a dual select transmission, so we got that thing on basically like a clutch connected to the engine. It's right there.
Been everyone asking when a new drop in. Pressure been building, but it's a good problem. Graduated college and now I got options. Always bringing more, all these rappers take caution. Always been bossing, everybody watching. Love every fan, just know you're not forgotten, no. Everything I used to dream being real right now, now. If it wasn't working, I'ma work it out, yeah. I keep on going till the lights go down, yeah. Till the lights go down, till the lights go down, I've been feeling alright, I've been taking what's mine, I've been running out of time, I'ma keep on going up till the lights go down. Everybody wanna be friends now, but not everybody been with me. Started with a couple hundred plays now, but not everybody saw this me. I seen it coming, it was all or nothing, I knew the future gonna get me.
Yeah guys, so this car has the clutch connected to the engine, and then it's got the tranny in the back connected straight to the rear diff. So it's kind of different from a normal car. I believe it's the F1 Ferrari transmission as well, the dual select one. So yeah, it should be very good in shifting and everything. Just getting that connected and everything. Getting the clutch connected. Let me show you guys the transmission is in the back of the car. It's right there if you guys look. That's the front of the car. It's connected straight to the back tires, that's why. The car doesn't have much drivetrain loss in there. Assembly piece together for the clutch. Coming along pretty good. Connecting all the connections and everything, putting the engine back together, and yeah, I'll see you guys if something comes up. Attaching the catalytic converters right now to the factory headers. Okay. Shit, it's not gonna die. Alright guys, so we got the engine all put back together, put all the components back together, all the wires and everything. We're just putting the spark plugs right now, and fuel injectors, the manifold, stuff like that. So yeah, that's what we're doing right now. God. Should take it outside. Turn it off, Uncle. Damn, that shit is throwing hella smoke. Wanna get my smoke? Muévanse afuera. Alright guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. That's gonna be a wrap. Forgot to do the outro and intro and everything, so I'm doing it right here. Go ahead and check that introduction video out with the Maserati. It's just a previous video right before. I'll link it at the end. Make sure you guys stay tuned. If you guys like the video, drop a like. Hit that subscribe button if you guys like. And stay tuned to the channel. Check out my Instagram, Immune 5.0. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.